Good morning. We're going to catch you flying your little Nieuport.
Yeah.
What is that? 17, 15?
It's 11.
Holy moly, okay.
Proctor.
It's an old Proctor kit. What, 50-inch wingspan?
Yeah, it's a fifth scale.
It's a fifth scale plane. And what do you got running for power? I heard you talking to Larry earlier.
OS 61.
OS 61. Outstanding. Yeah, these little World War I planes, boy, it doesn't take much to tip them around, does it?
No, they're switching a little bit.
She's flying really good, though, huh? Very nice.
Landing!
Nice recovery, nice.